Cool.
Hello! As you can see, my workshop is undergoing several improvements. That's why today we are going outside. And we'll make a nice summer project. Parking place for bikes. What you think? Come with me. My driveway usually looks like the headquarters of an eco-friendly motorcycle gang in the summer. Sons of Anarchy. Make that Sons of Order and Decorum. Season 8. So I decided to solve this problem by building a covered parking area on a free part of the driveway. I started by cementing the anchors. Then I set up the temporary workspace. Ready to go. I paint the posts black with wood preservative and then attach them to the anchors. Initially, I positioned them vertically using strips and a pneumatic nail gun. I marked the dimensions and angles for cutting. For this job, all I need is a miter saw and a drill. I leveled the cart and cut the post to the measured height and angle. Now I mark the length of the beams for the roofing. I cut them and temporarily mount them in place. I light sanding and I paint them the same color. Finally, I screw them to the posts. Using clamps, I position the cross beams in place and screw everything together. I also mount the middle beam, screw it in place and paint it to match. Now I prepare the boards for the roofing, just painting as their length was just right. I didn't need to cut them. These are tongue and groove boards. They are very pleasant to install. I screw them in from the top. The whole structure is still not very stable, but once I install the elements it should be very solid. However, to strengthen the structure I also install braces. I measure, cut and screw them in place. I impregnate the roofing on the other side. The entire thing will be covered with bituminous shingles, so it should be well protected. If you're still here and you like my channel, consider subscribing. Also, leave a like or comment for reach. I'd be immensely grateful. Now I measure the cross strips for the trellis finish. I cut the strips to the right length. I level the first strip and screw it in. Then, using the offcut pieces, I set the distances and screw in the next strips. I do the same on the side walls, ensuring that the strips meet at the same level. I cover the corners with wooden corner strips. Now I start installing the bituminous shingles. As you can see, I'm starting from the top with the first row. Then from the bottom, row by row, the roof slowly takes shape. The roof load test was positive. It can withstand a weight of 1 nu per square foot. I protect the edges of the roof with an aluminum corner strip. I fix it with roof sealant and screw it in with farmer screws. Phew, it's done. Here's how the finished parking area looks now. Thank you, goodbye, and see you later.